How to get Spotify premium account for students. Hi guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can get a premium plan for students. In order to get a subscription or a premium plan for students, you'll need to first of all log in into your Spotify account. Once you're logged in, it's gonna take you to the home page. That's gonna look something like this. Right on this page, tap the profile icon or the premium icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. Here, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find and section as premium students, and tap the try free for 1 month button. As soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other web page where you begin with the procedure. In order to begin with the procedure, you need to verify your students. Just tap the next button. On the other page, it's going to ask you to provide in the detailed information, personal contact, and your payment method as well. As soon as you're done entering the following information, it's going to take a while in order to load the premium, and if the information provided seems to be valid enough, then you'll get a Spotify premium for students. So that's basically how you can get a student plan on Spotify. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.